Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone Jade, the stone of manifestation. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is available now. If you'd like to check that out, I'll put a link in the eye above or in the description box below. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today, we are going to be practicing with the gemstone Jade to give you an opportunity to sit with the energy of Jade, to hear about its supportive benefits, and to decide if that is a stone that you would like to work with some more. If you do have a piece of jade, then it's a good idea to go get that and put that by your meditation space. But you do not need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the questions that I bring up, they speak to you, they feel really familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some jade and work with it some more. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Wisdom Benefits of Jade, I'll also link that in the eye above. If you want to watch that video for more in-depth explanation into the benefits of working with jade, the stone of manifestation. The only other thing that you'll need for this meditation is a comfortable seat. So whether that's on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or on the ground outside, as long as you can remain alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we sit through this guided meditation. So if you have your jade, or you're ready to picture jade in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And notice how it feels in your body to breathe right now. Feeling the inhale, the exhale, the expansion of your lungs. And bringing your awareness to the rest of your physical body, and notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And moving your attention then to your heart center, and acknowledging if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then bringing that attention to the state of your mind and noticing how it is right now. Busy, calm, scattered. And we're not trying to change or fix anything. Just noticing what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your focus to those parts on your body that are touching the cushion, the chair, or the ground beneath you, and remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, supported by all of its mass. You're sitting directly over the center, and you have access to all of the protective and supportive energies of the earth. So you will be guided and held by the earth during this meditation today. If you do have a piece of jade, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the jade today. If you don't have a piece of jade, then picturing a green gemstone in your mind. But if you are holding one, then take a minute to feel the gemstone in your hand, to notice how much it weighs, its shape. Run your fingers over the surface to see where it's smooth or rough. And take a minute to get to know your piece of jade. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind, since you started focusing on the jade. Then imagine you are surrounded by a radiant golden light. It shines from its core deep within you and radiates out like the sun. And sit with this image of jade energy for a minute. Jade is the stone of manifestation. And as you hold or picture the jade in your mind, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Would you like to discover your soul passions and life purpose? Have you been dreaming of achieving a certain goal in your life? Would you like to discover your path to success and abundance? Would you like to release fear of success or self-sabotaging behaviors? Would you like to cultivate more luck? all of these situations are supported by jade. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, to your mind, your body. And we'll sit with it for another minute or two while you hold the jade gemstone. And notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about this situation since you've been holding the jade. And bring your awareness back to your body, your heart, your mind, and notice if anything at all has changed since the beginning of this meditation. And then release the image of the jade energy and release the situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your breathing. And then when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to meditate with jade. I hope that you found this useful. If you do feel like jade is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive energy of the jade when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works, to initiate change and transformation in our real life situations by knowing which challenges or things in our lives that we want support with, which gemstones will help us, and using them when we need them. If you're interested in learning about a wide variety of gemstones and how they can help you make change in your life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.